What's going on? Today we got a brand new video, obviously. Brand new video. It is a absolutely cold and gorgeous day out today. That means there's snow on the ground, which means Jace and I are going to take our winter clappers and go huck some slide. And in the middle of this video, when it starts to get darker out, then I got a mod as well. So we're gonna do some snow sliding today, and I also got a quick mod that we're gonna do while we are sliding. So when the snow falls, this stuff comes down and it packs down nice. So I know a couple spots around here. We're gonna go shred these clappers around and have some fun today. So let's go ahead. Jason hooking up the cam. We out here at the dealership spot, well lit. On the highway, unfortunately, so it's gonna be a little loud, but we got loud cars. So what's the deal, bro? We're gonna get a couple slides in at the spot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install that quick mod that I was telling you guys about. Well, pack down snow, which turns into like, turns into ice. Yeah. And what's funny is that the front wheels do grip, which means you can actually hit these corners pretty quick. So these corners up there, we're gonna go through it a couple times. Go for a slide, fam. And the camera's gonna shake because it's really cold. Yo, I'm coming in on that.
I'm talking to
Oh! Look at that. It's just going.
It's my turn to freeze to death.
Slippy boy. Okay, so on the side here, I got some more LED. And some gloves, right? These are 3000K LED high beam. Oh yeah, and ow!
Do you want me to
I already ripped my glove!
He's doing it on the side of the road
In the snow.
in like -3°C weather.
Okay, the yellow light makes it so you can see on the white surfaces or in fog easier because I have white LEDs, so if I need extra looking, I can use the yellow and it will cover the surface more. And
Doesn't glare as bad.
Look at that, clean hands. There we go. We got triple color headlights. Elf on the shelf, dude. It's more like Elf on the bumper. I can't keep up with that. There he goes. Ah, you straightened out. Still going for it. Oh, die. Oh my god. I told him last clip over at the other spot, I was like, dude, you're too quiet. Now he's not quiet anymore.
I locked her in first. Are you bouncing rev limiter here?
Yeah. that's probably good enough for today. I already burned through enough gas. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. If you guys want to see some more snow sliding, we'll try and do some during the day. There's another spot that's really good that there's like continuous corners and stuff, so we can actually really get into this. But other than that, guys, thanks again. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.